revitalized Grand Palladium Lady Hamilton. Now you all know that this is one of my favorite properties. I've been here at least 15 times as a guest and loving the changes. Now those of you who know me, come on in, know that my favorite place is the bathroom. And look at what they have done. I love the tile work, I love the mirrors. This is really, really very, very nice. So, I have more reasons to offer the Grand Palladium Lady Hamilton to my clients. Clean lines, exquisite layout. I like the new granite countertop in the bathroom. And even the amenities have been repackaged. Very, very nice. The bathroom area did also get a facelift, the toilet. And if that was not enough, ta-da! A rain shower head now at the Palladium. Can't get much better than this, now can you? Many, many firsts, lots of changes, and come along with me really, really quickly, and you will see that they have also redone the bedroom. The decor is chic, it's elegant, the moldings have been added, gives the room a superior look and feel. The throw is different, the color scheme is stepped up, looking very, very, very nice. The fixtures have really been given a nice facelift, and I'm very happy with that. Oh my goodness. Now I know families with kids are just gonna love this. This should be an ottoman, but it's so huge. I guess you could, oh, look at that. This is nice. I like this. You could actually lie on this and, I don't know, eat breakfast. And this just slides right over. Woo, that's nice. Nicely redone chairs. And the drapery. Nice. Very lovely. Now, of course, because we are preferred guests of Grand Palladium, what can I tell you?
Wait, sorry.
We have been given this lovely view. It's a little rainy, but that's okay. You know, in Jamaica, we still promise you liquid sunshine. So, we're delivering on that promise. Come on, take a look. Nice furnishings, and just look at the view. Spectacular, isn't it? Loving it. The revitalized Grand Palladium Lady Hamilton. With a look at the bungalows, I really wanted one of those. They sell out so quickly. Not even an ace agent like me can get one. But that's okay. I live in hope. One day, I will check into my bungalow across here. I encourage everyone. You gotta make it Grand Palladium Lady Hamilton. Another added feature, there's room service. Oh my God, what else can I ask for? I'm gonna check out the menu, guys. See you later. Bye.